Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue to WinCC Explorer SCADA system to create the pop-up screen. In the previous video, we already learned about how to create the screen for control the Pump 1, Pump 2, Pump 3 and Pump 4. Okay. By using the simulation between TIA Portal version 17 and WinCC Professional version 7.5. Okay, and we already created the function block for control the pumps. Example: start, stop, overload, pump clear alarm, and also show the alarm also. Yes, and for today we will create the pop-up screen for control the pump one by one. Example, if I would like to click the pump 1, yeah, I click on the pump 1, then the pop-up screen of pump 1 will happen or will pop up, and then we can control the pump 1. Okay, and if I click the pump 2 screen, then the pop-up small screen of pump 2 will appear, and then we can control the pump 2. For pump 3 and pump 4, the same the procedure. Yeah. And we still simulation with the block of TIA Portal. Yes. So let's go to our software. Okay, so first I will use the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. First I will download the block to the simulation. Yes. Okay, I will open the block. Okay, this is a block that we already created in the previous lesson. Okay, wait a moment for open the blocks. Okay, we have pump 1, pump 2, pump 3 and pump 4, right? So right now I will download the hardware and both this block to the PLC simulation. Yes. So wait a moment for open the simulation software. It takes time a little bit more for open the simulation. Okay, so then we can click consider as trust. Okay, I will click load to download the hardware configuration and blocks to the CPU. and then I will start the CPU. Okay, it's starting. Okay, good. So right now the CPU was started. Then we can go to online. Okay, good. Right now we already online. Yes. Then pump 1, pump 2, pump 3 and pump 4 was stopped. Yes. Then we can go to create or open the existing project of WinCC. Okay, here WinCC. It is the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. So I will go to activate the project. So wait a moment more to runtime, activate the runtime. Okay, so here is the screen that we already learned in the previous video. So we can start and stop the pump, right? Let's test again. Example pump 1 we can start. Yes, let's see the pump 1 running, pump 2, pump 2 also running, right? So I will start the pump 3. Okay, I will zoom a little bit. I will start the pump 3. Yes, true, running. And the last one, I will start the pump 4. Yes, true also. Then in the previous video, we not yet separate the alarm, right? When overload, it should be have alarm in this motor, right? So I will create the alarm first before we create the pop-up window. Yes. So basically, if we would like to create the alarm, we can go to the WinCC screen. Okay, we'll outline first, and then we need to modify the logic a little bit to parallel with the input, because input we cannot force the signal when we simulation. Yes. Then I will go to add the M. Yes, easy to force the signal, modify the signal. Then let's see the alarm together. So here I will put the one more NO. and insert one more, sorry, insert like this. And the first one I will put the existing, yes, and then we can connect directly here, and this one we can OR with the connection here. Okay, then here I will put the internal bit memory, yes, so I will put M 30.0, yes, example M 30.0. It is the overload that we can modify the signal and then see the alarm on the faceplate on the screen, yes. And for motor or pump 2 I will put the same, yes. I will put the same, yes, 1 NO and or with another 1 NO, right? So I can OR, and then this one I will put the existing address, yes, so cut existing address here, and then we can connect directly here, and this one also connect here, and I will put M 30.1, yes, it is just example overload, yes. And for pump number 3 and number 4 we can do the same. Okay, I will insert, and then insert one NO and one more NO for parallel with the input, right? So I will cut and paste and connect directly to the overload or block, and this one I will put M 30.1, sorry, 30.2, yes. And the last one the same, I will put the parallel and then cut this one, and then connect directly to overload or block, and this one I will put M 30.3. Okay, that's all. We can save the project and then compile the block. Okay, there is no error, and then we can download. Okay, we already downloaded. Then we can go to online. Okay, monitor. Okay, good. So if I for the pump number 1 for overload, I will modify to 1. Then the motor will trip, right? And if we modify to 0, it still set the alarm, right? So we need to clear the alarm. So let's go to WinCC Explorer to design the screen for alarm. Okay. So here I will put one more for alarm. Yes. So I will copy and then paste. And I will change the color to be example this color. Yes. Then this one I will delete first for action. Yes. And for enable the alarm, I will flashing this one, right? When the motor one alarm. So we can go to this tab. Yes. Flashing tab. And then we need to enable this one, right? We need to enable this one. Yeah. Because we need to show the alarm when motor overload, right? Okay, I will enable this one to yes. Because we need to flashing background activate, right? And then here is the action. When off and when on, right? So when the alarm occur, I will change this color to be this color. And sorry, I will change to yellow color. And when the flashing on, I will change to this color. Yes. And I need to display it. So example, we run right now. It will show the flashing also, right? But we need to hidden it. Yes. Right now it's flashing. And I will clear the alarm first. Yes. Then we can hidden this one. Active one alarm only, right? So let's go to the hidden. Yes. Okay. Here display. So yes, when it show the alarm, right? So we need to insert the text for motor alarm. So pump 1 alarm or pump 1 overload here. It will pop up the screen. Yeah, pop up the screen. And I will change this one to upon change. Okay. And then I will put like this. Yes. So when there is no alarm, this pop-up will not occur, right? It's hidden. Right now, it has alarm or not. There is no alarm, right? So we need to hidden this one. So let's go to display again. I will choose no. and then let's run again. Let's check the text again. Pump 1 overload. Let's check the text again. We can use pump 1 overload, right? Or pump 1 alarm. Yes, we have pump 1 alarm here. Then choose Boolean, and then I will show only yes. And change this one to upon change. Change this one to yes again, and then let's try again. Okay, hidden. So if we go to for the alarm, for the signal for alarm, okay, let's see the pump 1. Okay, I will for pump 1 to be alarm. Let's see, the pop-up alarm will occur. Yes, I will remove. And then we need to clear the alarm, right? Okay, clear the alarm. It will hidden again. So we need to copy to be all the motor, apply to all the motor. Yes. So I will duplicate to motor number 2. And then just change this one to be pump 2. And change this one to be upon change. And one more duplicate. And then go to display again, and then go to change this one to 3. And then change the text to be upon change. And duplicate one more for pump 4. And then go to pump 4 alarm. And then change this one to upon change also. Yes. And then save the project. And we can activate again. And then let's see the status together. Yes, work or not. Okay. So I will start M1, pump 1 again. And if I for the signal again, it will overload, right? It will show the overload. Okay, I will for the signal to 1. So pump 1 alarm. And then we can clear the alarm. Okay, and for pump number 2, right now is running, right? So I will force for alarm, example alarm overload. It will show the alarm also, right? Okay, that's correct. Then we can clear alarm. And for pump number 3, we can also for the signal to be 1 and the motor will alarm like this, flashing. And then we can clear alarm, yes, to be reset the alarm. And for pump number 4, we can also test. We'll put 1, yes, it alarm. I will put 0 and then clear alarm. There is no alarm, right? So it worked perfectly. So for alarm, we already created the screen, right? So let's go to create the pop-up window to control the pump. Actually, to create the pop-up of window, we need to create 3 more screen. Yes. Okay, let's go to WinCC Explorer. And then I will deactivate the project first. Okay. And then here we can right click and then create the new picture. And then I will rename this one to pump 1 screen. Yes. Create one more. Example pump 2 screen. One more. Pump 3 screen. And one more for pump 4, right? So pump 4 screen. Okay. And then let's open the pump 1 picture. And we need to design the small screen for pop-up window for pump number 1, right? So basically we can copy from here. Okay, I will copy from here. Right click, copy, and go to pump 1. Right click and then paste. We will got like this. So we can adjust. So we have many ways to design the SCADA. Then we can go to geometry. And I will change the picture width. Okay, I will test with 300. Okay, good. And this one 500, 400. Okay, so 480. And this one 290. And then we can adjust a little bit. Okay, we can adjust like this. And we can save. So 290 for width and height 480, right? So we can go to WinCC and then open the pump 2 screen. and then we can adjust the geometry to be 490, right? 290, 480, right? 290, 290, 480, yes. And then let's go to main screen and then copy the screen to PAM2 screen. Yes. Okay, we can alignment. So we can design the style that we want. Yes, we want to pop up. Then don't forget save the screen. And then let's go to PAM number 3, open. Okay, so for PAM number 3, we can go to main screen and then copy the screen to PAM number 3 screen. So copy and paste. And we can adjust the geometry. So 490, sorry, 290, 480. We will go like this. Then we can adjust a little bit more. Okay. Don't forget save. And the last one, we can go to screen PAM number 4. And we can put the geometry to be 290, 480, the same as screen 1, screen 2, and screen 3. Then we can copy the screen PAM number 4 here. And then go to paste here. Okay. And we can adjust the position of screen, yes, that we want, the position that we want, yes. Then we can save. Okay, save again. Don't forget save the screen. So here we will put only the motor, right? So I will delete this one. Delete, delete, delete. Okay. I will delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. And for PAM number 3, I will delete also. PAM number 4, I will delete also. Yes. So we will put only like this, and then I will adjust the height of geometry a little bit. Example 600. Yes. So around 600 or 650. Yes. Then the concept is when we click the PAM1, yes, click on the model 1, it will pop up the PAM1 to this window, right? So basically we can use the picture window here. Yes, click picture window here, and then I will put here. Yes, and then we can adjust or put the parameter here. Yes, the first one is display. We need to put yes. Sizeable, we need to put yes also. And then the title, I will put yes. This one, yes. The scroll bar, I will put yes also. And for the adapt size, I will put yes. Yes. It automatically, when we choose the adapt size yes, it will disable the scroll bar. Yes. So we don't need to adjust the scroll bar when we put the adapt size yes. Okay. And then we can go to the property, right? We can go to the property and then change this one to be yes. Change the picture name. Picture name right here. We can fill the name of the screen, right? The PAM1 screen. So I will go to WinCC and then we can copy this one and come back to the screen here and then go to the picture name and then I will paste here. Yes, enter. It will show like this. So let's go to the model 1 or PAM1 here. Then I will go to the events and then go to object event and then go to on click. I will choose the double click on this on click and then go to picture window 1. Yes, and then go to display and then choose the picture 1 and choose the display. Okay, property is display, so we can click OK and then we can test. So I will activate the runtime again and then we can test together. Okay, then we can go to test together. It's so big, right? It's so big. So I will put the option this one should be no. Yes, adapt size is so big, right? So let's test again. It should be display when we push the motor only, right? Okay, so when I push pump 1, it not display, right? So let's check again. This one, yes. Upon change, go to property, motor, events, click. This object, we need to choose this object and then go to display, picture 1, and choose the display, right? So let's test again. So this one should be yes, right? So test screen again. It will appear when we click only, right? Border, yes. Sideboard, yes. We put this option. And let's test the screen again. Okay, so I will change this one to no for display, and then we can go to the motor again and then choose the event and check this one with these objects, display, feature 1 and display, right? Okay, and then we can save the screen. Actually, we can adjust the screen like this. Yes, small screen like this. Then we can save again, and then we can test. Okay, test the screen 1 again. Okay, then we can click on the pump 1. Yes, it will pop up the faceplate here. Then we can start the motor. Yes, stop the motor, start the motor. Yes. And for the pump number 2, we can also go to, actually we can copy from here, or we can choose the window, picture window here, and then draw here. And we need to put the parameter here also. Yes. Actually I can put like this, easy to check the property. Yes. So for property, we can go to this tab and then choose this one no. Sidebar yes. Title yes. And then for the auto adapt side, I will put yes. Yes. The same as the picture one, right? And then we can go to picture name, right? Okay, picture name here. We can go to WinCC and then copy this one. Yes. Copy and then go here and then paste here. Enter. We will got like this and then we can adjust. Yes, we can adjust. And we need to event for this pump, right? So go to the pump, click, and then go to events, and then go to on click, yeah, double click, and choose this object, and then go to display, right? Display picture number 2, and then display. Okay. So click OK, and then OK, yes, save, and then we can run the screen for test for pump number 2 pop up. Okay, so I will push on the motor pump 1, sorry, pump 2, it will pop up. This one, it will pop up, the pump 1, yes, and then we can stop the pump number 2. And for the pump number 3 and number 4, we can follow the step. So I will adjust like this. Yes. And put the parameter on the property, right? So this one no. Movable, yes. Title, yes. So for this option, we can provide the style that we want. Okay, I will check this one, yes. And then copy this one, right? And paste on picture name here. Yes, we will go like this. And go here, go to events, focus, object events, double click here, and choose these objects, display, picture window number 3, and then display. Okay. And for the pump number 4, we can insert the picture window here, and then draw like this, and then go to property, change this one to no, this one yes, movable we can yes also, title yes, and then go to adapt side, yes, and we can go to the WinCC, yes, screen number 4, and then copy, go to our screen, picture name here, paste, and then go to motor PAM1 events, object event, on click, choose this object, choose display window number 4, and then display. Okay, so that's all. So we can save, and then I will put here, and we can save and can run the screen again, and we can test together. So for alignment, we can alignment to be the style that we want. Yes. So it's just example to let everyone know about how to create the pop-up and test with the simulation. Yes. So right now, if I click PAM1, it will pop up PAM1. I click PAM2, pop up PAM2. I click PAM3, pop up PAM3. When I click PAM4, it pop up PAM4. Okay. Then we can test with the PLC simulation. Yes. So here is the PAM4. So PAM1 is true. So if I stop the PAM2, stop the PAM1. I stop the PAM1. Yes. PAM1 was stopped. Let's see here, it's stopped. When I start again, it start, stop, start, stop, start, start, and stop. Okay. So it worked perfectly for pop-up, and for alignment, we can alignment to be the style that we want. Yes. So the first we can, if we deactivate, and I will close the screen. And then activate again. It will show only PAM1, PAM2, PAM3, and PAM4 picture, right? So we need to click on the PAM before we can operate the PAMs. So wait a moment for activate the WinCC runtime. Okay, it will pop up only like this. So if we would like to control the another PAM, we can click. Yes, so we can stop or start the PAM. Yes, and we can close also after we adjust. This is the option that we need to put the close. Yeah, we can close here. So go to the OP. Yes, the main screen again. So it is the option that we can tick, we can click or not. It is the option on the Windows that we can setting it. Okay, I will show where is we can setting. Okay, so basically we can check the property of this one. Yes, so this one, yes, right? Yeah, no, yes, Title, yes. Console board, yes. Yeah. And for this one, let's see here. Side ball, yes. This one. Yes. This one also. Actually, we can put yes or no by double click. Then we can tear the screen again. Actually, we can adjust like this. Okay. Then we can save again and test the screen again. So for the property option, we can adjust the style that we want. Okay, here we can minimize, maximize, we can move, yes. We can move the screen, yes. Here we cannot move, right? Because it is option that we select. So this is just a sample about how to create the pop-up screen on WinCC Explorer version 7.5. So I hope everyone will get this point that I already show and share. So thank you very much for watching my video. And if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.